Is your external component the Fxlucenelib Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Foxit links. As we look at the manual steps for Fxlucenelib Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Fxlucenelib Library, the Foxit Lucene Indexing Library. It provides the localized unmanaged C++ logic for the Apache Lucene search engine within Foxit PDF products. It facilitates localized full-text searching and localized metadata indexing for large PDF document archives. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Missing Fxlucenelib Library DLL data often points to a failed patch within the Foxit integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Fxlucenelib library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Fxlucenelib Library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Fxlucenelib Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Fxlucenelib Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.